Alright, and we are back. I just gotta give them the go ahead and we can just start right now.
Right.
We are so back.
Yeah.
Tier 2.
Tier 2 draft.
Oh.
Assuming
Yay.
this one is. Oh, it's me!
Yeah.
It's me! Alright, anyways. I am going to assume that that this is going to be not nearly as quick as the tier 1 draft. Because there was prep time for tier 1, there was basically no prep time for tier 2. Rhetoric, first pick of tier 2. Makes a lot of sense. She is definitely one of the better players remaining.
Yeah. Tier 1 captain last year, if I remember correctly. Oh, okay. Dio get a pick early. Oh. Did Geo
Who wants to play GeoGuessr? Oh my god.
Celebi?
Yeah,
Celebi,
Celebi
yeah.
makes sense. One of the American imports of this year. One of like, I don't know how many, not many, but yeah, no, Celebi, very strong no mod 2 general tapping player. Okay, Warpath going to cancer patients.
Yeah, they're going quick, bro.
Yeah, they're going quick, yeah. Yeah, no, Warpath, no mod warlord. This guy is just so good at anything. No mod really.
Pain Train.
Pain Train, yeah. Another good one.
Oh, yeah, these are all good picks.
Yeah.
Zeph.
Okay. Yeah, and now we're at the part where I start. I know quite a few of these players. Yalazin, there it is. Yeah.
I know Yalazin.
Yeah, I think we know that guy.
Yeah,
Hard rock
definitely
player,
heard that
aim
guy.
player.
Wait, the chat is like saying what? Yalazin went through T2.
Yeah.
Erico?
Oh yeah, Erico. That's ET player.
Torn? Oh wow. Is this a Torn I'm thinking of, or is this a different Torn?
That is the Quebec one. Pretty sure.
Oh yeah, okay.
Be busting soon.
Yeah.
That's the Torn I'm thinking of, yeah.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's BB. I don't actually know what that guy. I don't actually know what he plays. I've seen him around a lot, but.
Oh my god, wait, okay.
Yeah.
Namo chose Queeby. Okay.
Yeah.
You're going fast. Oh my god.
Yeah, they're surprisingly going fast.
Yeah, the animation is not catching up. Alright.
Whatsoever. Wow, this is a mechanics team. This is a strong mechanics team. I am actually very surprised Whatsoever didn't go tier 1. That's... I'm realizing actually, and it's just like, oh my god, Bitter in second pick!
Oh.
Bitter in second pick! Oh my god!
It's that description.
That's crazy. Oh,
Okay,
Squink.
okay. Squink!
Wow, the Acheron C team. Alright.
Yeah. Yeah. One of a couple people to still have the 5WC collab.
Oh, TX FPS.
TX!
Wow, they're going. This is so fast.
I am pleasantly surprised.
We are
Considering-
speedrunning this. This is faster
Yeah.
than tier 1.
Man, I guess these are like the well-known
I-
5 digits ish.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
So
the crazy people.
Oh,
Yeah.
Hammer. Okay.
Oh, this team looks really cool. This team looks
Long
really
map
cool.
enjoyer, so based.
Yep.
That's pretty. Oh.
Wait.
Short kid 27.
Wait.
This team is so cool. This team is so cool already.
Okay, hold on. Short kid.
Kids. Yeah,
Alright,
6WC player. The first one, I think, that's been picked so far.
I have no
Is this
clue.
profile picture vitamins?
I don't know.
I think I
Garcia!
have that exact vitamin.
Garcia!
Just not Canada. Kapiki.
Kapiki.
Oh my god. Okay.
Wow, yeah, we actually can't keep up.
GY.
Oh my god, they're going so fast.
Remoro. Okay,
Tomorrow's
okay.
next, yeah.
We're still going so fast!
It's
Oh
actually
my god, they're
insane.
picking so fast! They can't stop!
Mizuku. Wait, I thought he dropped out.
Hold
Hold on.
Hold on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're safe.
Okay. We got a breeder here. H.
Harold, oh my god. Okay, and there's the 6 digit that gets picked. There's the 6 digit
Oh,
that
let's
gets
go.
picked.
Okay.
Pay 1 billion Skyblock coins if you win.
Yeah. No. Okay.
Lumen Logic.
Lumen Logic?
Lumen coconut, yes.
Rabbit Mushroom.
Wait.
Oh my god, they're still going so fast. This is crazy.
Wait. I love all of these players.
Please put me in tier 1. What the?
Apparently, ODVB is drafting for this team. If so, that explains a lot. And
Yeah.
keep going. This team looks so cool.
Akisa 18.
Oh my god. Hidden player. They are really good at hidden, actually.
I don't know how to say that. Vix.
Mexico?
More hidden. He already got picked.
So we're already halfway done our picks.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Why?
this is
Why
crazy.
are we halfway there already?
It hasn't even been 10 minutes. This might look
Yeah.
to be a 20 minute.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways,
Shady.
now that we hit the 2-minute zone, Ake. Oh my god.
Yep. Mouse only gamer.
Mouse only gamer.
Mirami Cat.
Romy Cat, be fun, yes!
God.
Hey, I met this guy.
Hidden player. Oh, I hate hidden
Hidden
players.
player.
I'm sorry.
Ruan Mei. Okay.
Okay, there's another 6WC player.
I see. Oh my god. Booby 3D.
B3D.
Okay, now this guy's actually really good. He's been climbing.
Just slamming you.
Okay. We're caught up. Chompy. Okay.
Bumpy!
Chompy.
Okay, it's like Tier 1 was cool because people were trying. Tier 2 was awesome because these teams just look so awesome.
Squink already got picked.
Squink already got picked. Squink was like first picked. Squink was the third pick. Wait, no, he wasn't.
I think it was second round actually.
Yeah, he was second round.
Yeah.
Late second.
I wasn't paying attention.
But yeah, no, this is fun because like all of these teams just look really cool.
Yeah, they all look vibes, low key.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Lexic is on the board, yes.
Lexic is on the board.
Oh.
Oh, apparently his scheduling is really bad, but also if he's there, he will be. If he's there, he will be crazy.
Yeah.
Diamond PvP.
Diamond PvP.
Yes! More
Let's
hard
go.
rock! More hard rock!
Sarcasm. Okay.
And even more hard rock.
Red 40.
Yep. Why can we still not keep up?
I don't know.
Why can we
it's
actually
insane.
still not keep up?
Conrad's like 6th pick, 7th pick.
Yeah.
and, like,
Also, sarcasm going so late is like actually nuts.
Jolty.
That guy carried some points in tier 1
Wait,
last year.
Jolty has a different name. Was it My Angel?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's my own Jukadori. Yeah. But yeah, no, sarcasm like was top scoring in tier 1 last year.
Oh yeah, I remember. Yeah. Small Dolphin.
All dolphin.
Wait, is tier 2 10 players?
I think it is.
Yeah,
Oh wait,
Let's
potato.
see.
Potato.
I don't know, to be honest.
Potato. Okay.
brew up.
Okay. Okay.
We're
There
caught
we
up,
go.
we're caught up.
We caught up again.
Yep.
Finally!
Okay. So we can just take a look at the teams here. It looks like he's taking his time to choose a player. But yeah, a lot of these are just like vibes, low key.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll be right back. Can't bring it home.
Yeah. All right. I think he's picking now. Jason, the Waterloo Jason.
That's it. Yep. Gone for semifinals, might also be gone for finals and grands.
That's like almost all the weeks.
That's the all the matches.
Era Mystic. Okay. Very cool. I'm cool.
Real
Real
Daniel.
Daniel. There's like 7 Jasons in Waterloo. I forgot about that, low key.
Shandon Yamaha? Yo, Yamada. What the hell did I say Yamaha?
Oh my god, they're just shotgunning all these. It's crazy. Okay. Stream might actually be just 20 minutes. Sustain, okay. Really nuts.
Nut. Lay nut.
Xeno Pinguino. Okay, we've already reached the last round. And it's
Last round.
only been 14 minutes since the draft started.
Wait, so it is only
actually
8 players per
crazy.
team then?
I think so. It should be.
Yeah, okay.
Unless told otherwise, but I'm pretty sure Rylan told me it's just gonna be 8.
Okay, okay.
Oh my god. I've never seen a draft go this fast before.
Yeah, this is
like,
insane.
Any tournament I've ever like worked on or played in.
Gaba Shaft.
All right, I'm saying right now, someone please draft Illinear. This guy cannot go undrafted.
Are these wasn't it? Oh, Illinear.
Illinear, yeah.
Linear.
This guy cannot go undrafted.
Who's drafting my boy Tim Awesome Guy?
Oh, he's vibes,
True.
bro. He's actual vibes.
Like, we need him.
Love Tim
There are
Awesome
so many.
guy.
There are so many players here that should not be going undrafted, but they
Yeah.
guaranteed are.
Yeah, like, what? Wait, hold on, bro. Yeah, I'm
What?
actually just looking at these. This is crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so many actually. Oh my god.
Oh wait, hold on. Ryland. I'm just gonna ask Ryland because I want to make sure tier 2 is tier 2 8th player? Because, I mean, if not, then there's still a lot of people left to be drafted.
He said
Yeah.
last round, so it's probably.
He did say last round.
Oh, okay.
He better auto draft. Like,
Click. Oh my god, this is.
Okay, sure.
Wait. hold
That's
on.
Kaguya Simp.
Kaguya, okay.
oh, okay. I'll
Yeah,
let tier
Lanier's
1
big.
on card also. Linear, let's go.
Wait, this is crazy. These are actually people like I know they're
Yes!
good who gave us
Yes!
images, bro.
There he goes.
Alright.
Right. You will say Tim Awesome Guy. You will.
Oh, he's rolling for his pick.
Oh,
What does
he's
44
rolling.
mean?
Come on.
No,
Come on.
Architect.
Arky! Yes!
Wait, this is insane.
That's what I'm saying.
Tim Awesome Guy. He's the
Tim Awesome Guy, please, please. I beg you. I want him, yes. Okay.
Oh, is that for
Okay.
sure?
Yes!
Okay.
CDC
That-
is
that-
safe.
that's Tim.
Okay,
Tim!
we're okay. We're okay this year.
Yeah.
Darwin.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, okay.
That's another awesome pick.
Oh, Fluffy Echo makes the cut.
Yes! But wait.
It's crazy that she went this far, bro.
Yeah,
It's
that's what
actually
I'm saying.
insane.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh my god. They're done, but I'm still not even caught up yet. Okay.
Wait, reclusive.
Fluffy
And
Echo.
Let's go.
reclusive final pick.
Like, how did Fluffy Echo get picked this late? That's
Yeah.
actually insane. Alright, neurodivergent. Okay.
Yep.
That was
Yeah.
actually an 18-minute draft. We're done. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Oh my god, you're right.
Year and a half.
What do you mean?
I've never seen a draft this short.
The fastest draft ever.
20 minutes.
Just shotgunned it. That's crazy. Alright. Well, I guess that will be all the drafting for today. All the teams for both tiers are finalized.
Acer just got here. Do it again.
Alright, let's redo it.
Yeah. Wow, there are some really crazy teams.
Yeah. I think quarterfinals will be taking place over 2 weeks, so you have next week and the week after to practice and do your matches. Other than that, I think that's all from me and the crew, Fireblaze and Plute.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, there's so much
Yeah.
players left. I don't know if it's here.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It does kind of suck having so
Yeah.
many players just left unaccounted
How many
for at
players
the
are
end,
left?
but
Like what smaller tier 3 we do?
30-ish, like 30-40 players.
30ish, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well, thank you guys
Alright.
for watching.
Tier 3
Good
for
luck to
remaining
everyone in
players.
tier 1 and tier 2.
Yeah, good luck everyone.
Good luck. Good luck.
Good luck in your matches either next week or the week after. Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye bye!